Alright y'all, this is Mike. Welcome to another episode of Diggin, Arkansas. I'm out here at my Civil War spot today, and it used to be an old house here. And it's gone, but it had debris and stuff, and it's just been completely cleared. I mean, I got all kinds of spots to dig now that I couldn't get before, so I'm kind of excited about it. We're gonna get after it. There was an old well over there too. I don't know if you can see it, but we'll get over there in a minute. But anyway, first good target. You can see that in the hole there. Got me a spoon or a fork. I'm gonna try to extract it here without breaking it. Maybe we can get a date on it or something. Well, I'm gonna turn the camera off a minute so I can use two hands. I might go get my glasses on here in a second. Anyway, we'll get back with you in just a minute. Alright, there it is. Old silver plated fork. I can't tell if it says anything on it or not, but anyhow, I kind of like finding them. We're gonna get back after it and see if we can't find anything else. Alright y'all, like I said earlier, this place has been cleared out and just kind of bulldozed over, so the ground's been turned over. This is sitting right on top of the ground, y'all. This is some kind of coin or a big token. It's got to be. It's the size of a large cent, but y'all, I doubt. Well, I guess it could be, but I don't think I'd be lucky enough that this would be a large cent. But anyway, it was an overload signal with the MX5. I'll show y'all. It was weird. I was swinging, and I got a decent signal, and I just happened to set my coil down, and it overloaded. And I looked down, and I got my shovel, and when I put my shovel down, I just happened to, and I seen it flip up, and I thought, oh my. So anyway, I'm gonna try to get this cleaned up. It's got dirt caked on it, and I'll let you know what it is in a second. Alright, I know kind of what it is now. We got it's a 1899, I guess it's British. It's a British large cent, or British 1 penny, British copper, whatever. But you can see it says 1 penny. So man, I'm excited. That's the first one of them I've ever found. So, and I'll get this cleaned up later at the house. So I'll be able to tell you who that is. Y'all probably already know. All I got to do is tell y'all 1899, 1 penny. Y'all know what it is. All right, I'm gonna get back with it. Y'all, I started to give up on my Civil War spot here, but since they cleared this out, this has just opened up spots for me, y'all. I just got a nice concave or convex humped out on the top. Well, what is that? Convex, I guess. I don't know what kind of button it is. I'm sure it's Civil War. Pretty sure. If it's not, I'd be surprised. Looks like it's got the crazy looking eagle on there. But anyway, it looks like it's missing the back. But anyway, I'm happy with that too. I'm really killing it right now with the whites. I mean, that came in at the low 70s, and the large cent was a solid 55. Anyway, we'll get back with it and we'll show you a cleaned up picture of this in the video. Alright y'all, this is my variety of finds here. They're over there, kind of by where that ant pile is. 1899 large cent, British large cent. Right here in this hole, Civil War button. Right there, not few inches away. We just got a stinking Lincoln Memorial. It's copper, but anyway. Alright, we're gonna get back with it. Alright, y'all. This is the same video. I just dug the British 1899 British copper coin, Civil War bullet there. Had to go get the T2. I got an area I got a little bit too much trash in for the MX5, so we're gonna see how the T2 does in it. Imagine it'll do pretty good. Hadn't let me down yet, so I got the sensitivity. I only got it set on 60, and discrimination at 21. That should knock out nails. Small iron, 2+ tones, and I switched the frequency to frequency 5 so it doesn't jack with my Garrett Pro pointer. So anyway, here we go. And we're just looking for a good solid tone. You know, we get the iron grunt for ferrous. Non-ferrous is a VCO. I'm coming back out Sunday morning early, and we're going to try this spot again. I'm going tomorrow with y'all remember old Tully. He's got a new permission for us to try tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. 88, 89. Four inches center coil. Might be another piece of copper pipe. Ooh, it's in a plug. It's a 93. What is that? Is that it? Is that a rock? Hell, I can't tell. I took my glasses off to put these camera glasses on. Oh, what is that? Oh man, y'all, I can't see. That's another foreign coin. Well, I can't. Can y'all see what this is? Now that I've taken my glasses off, I can't see anything. It's just a big blurry circle. Okay, y'all. I don't know, y'all looking through the magnifying glass with me. It's not a silver coin, but it's heavy, so it's copper. Oh, y'all, I'm having fun out here. I don't even know what this is. It might not even be anything good. Okay, there's a head on there. That is a language I can't read. 1949. It says at the bottom. That's cool. That's another old one. Yeah, I don't know. Y'all can see that. 1949. Surely y'all can. This thing will zoom in on it. Now I'm reading. I'm probably messing y'all up. But this is Franco Caudillo de Espana por la something 1949. Alright, let's clean the back off. I don't know what this is. Some kind of maybe French. That's so weird. kind of nice. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. I don't know what that is, but that is a nice design on there. Right, y'all. Let's keep on digging. That's neat. That's a good, interesting coin. That rung up good too. That was sounded like a quarter, so. I don't think it's going to matter what machine of mine I use out here. There's so many good targets now that this area has been cleared that I couldn't ever get to before. That I'm telling you, it ain't gonna come out here with my pinpointer, scrape around on the ground and probably find something good with it. So, but anyway, the T2 is doing better at picking in between the good and the bad targets because there's so many targets, like I said, out here. But that's cool. Let's go get something else neat, because that's neat. Because look, that foreign whatever coin, 1949 coin, was there, and about 5 feet directly that direction was that 1899 British copper. So I gotta film this live. Getting the upper 80s, low 90s. It's 3 inches deep, center coil. Out right there, should be. See if it's true. Probably pick it up with the pinpointer. Yeah, that might be junk. No, there's a coin. What is that? There's something round. Oh, it's a flat quarter. Alright. Take that over the zinc penny. What is that? Is that a... I don't know. Couldn't tell what the year was. Probably 65. I don't see the year. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Alright, y'all. I told you on my last clip when I was out at my Civil War spot I was going digging with Tully today. He got us a new permission of this old vacant house. Trying to get it to focus. Got my first silver of the year. It's about time. 1956 Rosie. Say hi, Tully.
Hey, how are y'all doing?
So we're gonna keep on at it here for a minute. See what else we can find. Yay! Finally on the board with some silver for the year. Alright, we'll get back with you. Alright, y'all. I switched from the MX5 to the T2 to deal with all this trash. And I was just getting a solid 77 signal. And I just dug this cool button. And I've seen somebody dig one of these before. And I can't remember what it was, but seems like I remember it was something pretty good. Anyway, we'll find out what it is. It's got some script writing on it. And then shank's intact. Might even be able to get a back mark off of it. And we'll show you here in the video what it is. And I'm having a good weekend so far. So, anyway, we'll get back with you. I still got one more day to go. Alright, y'all, I'm over here back at Tully's house. And I don't know if you remember the last video that I was going to do when I was here, but we was He was looking for his sister's class ring. And I'm back today, just kind of fiddling around. Tully just went up to the store to get some groceries. But I don't know if y'all can see that, but I don't know, that looks like gold to me. And I'm gonna wait till Tully gets back before I pull it out. Cause I'd like him to see me pull it out of there. But anyway, that's pretty cool. That rung up a 32 on the MX5. So we're gonna wait on Tully to get back. I think I'm gonna take me a break and get me some water. Pretty hot out here. Anyway, I'm having a great weekend. Hope y'all are having a good one too. We'll see you on the next. Alright, Tully. Look right there and tell me what you think that looks like to you.
Yeah, it's a gold ring, it looks like.
We're gonna extract it. Blow might be pretty happy.
Yeah, I thought she'd be ecstatic.
Try doing this carefully. That ain't a wedding, that's a wedding ring.
Yeah?
That's not a class ring.
Yeah.
Holy crap. You got more than one gold ring out here. Is that your wedding ring?
Yeah.
What'd you do, get pissed off and throw it in the yard?
No. That's mine. I'm pretty sure, look.
Daggone.
I've only been married 4 times. But anyway, I don't know. It might not be mine, dude. You can have it if you want it.
No, man.
But still.
Your yard.
Well, yeah, but you're the one that dug it up. Let's go show Dad.
Okay. Alright, y'all, it's Mike again. It's Sunday, back at my Civil War spot where they've plowed it, or not plowed it, but they bulldozed it all over, cleaned it all up, and I got areas I couldn't get to before, but I've been having a great weekend and it's still going good. I just dug this cool, looks like maybe a heart-shaped makeup compact or mirror. It rung up 79 on the MX5. So that's pretty cool. That's got to be pretty old too. Anyway, found it right underneath this big old tree here. So we're gonna get back with it and see what else we can find here. Alright, everybody. About good 7 or 8 inches down. They're using the AT Pro small coil, mainly because it's raining. Anyway, my weekend continues to do good. I scratched it a little bit, but looks like I got a big token here. And I know I love finding tokens. I'll clean it up real quick and see what it says, and we'll get back with you here in a minute. Alright, I don't know if it's a token or not. I don't know if it's some kind of play money or if it's just a foreign coin, but it's lightweight, like it's made out of aluminum. 1949, I think is what the date is on it. 5 francs. It almost looks like silver, but there's not enough weight to it for it to be silver. Y'all got any idea what it is? Let me know. I'll look it up when I get home. Maybe I can figure it out. That's cool. Alright, we're gonna get back with it. What?